Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today it's day 2 of getting yourself back to good health and getting back on track in eating well. So, day 2 is all about the skin. The skin is the largest organ that we actually have, and so therefore it behoves us to make sure that we're looking after our skin really well. I'm going to give you 3 pointers today to improve our skin health. So the first is eat more fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are packed with minerals, vitamins, carotens, beta carotens, all the things that we need for healthy skin. And who doesn't want healthy skin? Yeah. Point number 2, increase our vitamin C intake. Vitamin C helps in building collagen in our skin, and that collagen is what keeps our skin nice and stretchy and that elasticity in it. So it's really important to have enough vitamin C. And I mean, I just love to squeeze oranges and to have that fresh orange juice, and that's a fantastic boost of for your vitamin C. And also rosehip is excellent source of vitamin C as well. Third is take a nice warm bath. Having a warm bath will help with the circulation, and that also in turn helps with your skin. And after you've had that warm bath, just take a little shower down with some cold water to close up your pores, and again that boosts the circulation, which in turn will help the skin, because then it's bringing that necessary oxygen and nutrients to the skin. So I suggest you try any one of those things so that you can have beautiful glowing skin moving forward in this new year. So you take care and see you on day 3. Bye.